How to fix Huawei mobile phones Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your internet connection will be worked properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings and click on battery. If you turn on power saving mode, then turn it off. After turning off power saving mode, then go back and scroll down and click on system and updates and then click on reset and click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.